So EOS is rebranding to Vaulta. Vaulta is the next generation banking operating system. Our focus on Web3 banking is really core to our rebrand. Vaulta essentially has undergone a rebrand over the last 4 years, culminating to this name being released and to eventually the token ticker being released. Where we come from, the products we've built, the relationships we've made, who we are as a community, and where we've invested our time and our energy alongside where we're going to be going in the future is really core to why we're doing this rebrand now. We've seen that the industry as a whole over the last 1.5 to 2 years has really matured and evolved, and we're positioning ourselves to be able to take part in this opportunity that we're seeing as more and more financial institutions are coming into the Web3 space. We have inherent functions, technologies, and features such as instant finality, as well as others that are perfect for the use cases that we see in Web3 banking. Part of our core stack and our pillars for the Web3 banking Vaulta vision is fourfold. So you've got the first pillar, which is all about wealth management, taking those digital assets to be able to earn yield on them and even doubling down on multiple different yield strategies based on different risk profiles. The second pillar, being that of payment solutions, is to really focus on the on-ramp of assets into the digital asset space, making leverage of your digital assets on an end-to-end, very easy to use, user-friendly product. The third pillar is tokenization of assets. With what we've seen over the last 2 years, we've seen that the industry has been looking at tokenizing more and more assets to be able to leverage the inherent functionalities of blockchain. And for that fourth pillar, it's the insurance pillar. And so that's really closing a gap that we found in the traditional space, whereby it's very difficult to get banking solutions and banking services if you don't have access to insurance. Part of what we're doing with this rebranding as well is really showcasing one of our flagship products, XAT. XAT is a Bitcoin scaling solution that currently is in the top ranks for Bitcoin staking, Bitcoin TVL. Think of this as a transport layer for Bitcoin. And this is really what we're poised to do with Vaulta, to become the transport layer for Bitcoin.